In this training video, we're going to cover the concept of goal settings. Goal settings is very different than what happens on Google, Facebook, or other platforms you might be working with. So first of all, we have a concept of goal priority. Whatever you put in goal priority number one is what we show your reports for and what we optimize for. However, you have the opportunity to put priority two goals. This means that if you do not have enough of priority one goals to optimize your account, we are going to be able to fall back on priority number two goals. It's very important to mention here that if you place revenue as a priority one goal, you cannot place transactions or conversions because you can either optimize for ROAS or CPA, right? But the whole interface of Shirofune will change to reflect ROAS or conversions based on what you place in here. You're going to be able to select the platform on the second table down here. So for example, it says select meta. All of the meta conversions are going to be showing up in this table. And you can also decide to filter and look by search term to find the goal that you want to drag as a priority number one. It is very important to mention here that if you're using a third-party attribution company such as Triple Whale, if you're using GA4 or if you're using other platforms, you're going to be able to import the data in Shirofune through the use of our technical team, and that data can be used to report or optimize. In this case, for example, we linked up GA4, and with the use of GA4, we created a priority 3 goal, which is called revenue. And although we are not optimizing for this goal because we put it as priority number 3, anytime a report is downloaded, this data is going to be showing up right next to the revenue from our priority number 1 goals to be able to see how the attribution is comparing. So if you integrate multiple attribution companies, you are potentially able to compare performance side by side using a report and decide which one to use at priority one by simply moving it over and organizing your order any way you want. In addition to that, if you have specific budget groups that have a different goal than the rest of the campaigns, all you got to do is to click this plus sign here, select the budget group with a different goal, and you're going to be able to create a custom setup for a specific budget group. The typical example here would be if you're optimizing a campaign for reach, for example, instead of conversions. This is how you assign a different priority number one goal for a specific set of campaigns. Thank you so much for your attention. Should you have any questions, please feel free to contact us and we can dive deeper into this topic for you.